Tornado's Floorkeeper series of automatic scrubbers have been a trusted name in the industry since 1965, and our latest redesign improves the operator's experience from top to bottom. These flexible, battery-operated units are designed for cleaning a wide range of floor types, while minimizing training for your cleaning staff. In this video, you will learn how to properly set up, operate, and maintain your Floorkeeper scrubber. Perform the following steps before you begin operation. First, make sure that the batteries are installed and charged properly before use. The battery power level gauge is located on the upper control panel. When all of the LEDs are lit, the batteries are fully charged. Your scrubber is equipped with an onboard charger. When it is time to recharge the batteries, simply remove the cord from the quick release hook and plug in your unit. Allow 2 to 3 hours of charge time for each hour of machine use. Next, install the squeegee assembly by attaching the vacuum hose, sliding the upper part of the squeegee onto the stud bolts, and tightening the easy grip knobs. Floorkeeper scrubbers are available with disc and orbital brush decks. Disc units come standard with a pad driver. Center your choice of pad on top of the driver and fasten the center lock fitting. Make sure the fit is snug. To attach the pad driver using the auto on feature, place the driver on the floor, center the scrubber over the driver, lower the brush deck, and quickly engage the driver lever so the pad locks into place. Orbital pads are attached by aligning the front corners of the pad to the orbital dry plate, smoothing over the pad to the plate, and dropping the head to ensure even pressure. When you have completed the setup of your Floorkeeper scrubber, fill the unit with the proper mix of chemicals and water, and adjust the amount of solution dispensed using the control lever underneath the machine. After you power on the unit and adjust the speed control, operation is an easy 3-step process. Lower the brush deck to engage the pad drivers. Lower the squeegee to turn on the vac motors. Squeeze the activation lever. These instructions are conveniently located on the back of the unit for easy operator training. Floorkeeper scrubbers are equipped with multiple down pressure settings to take on any cleaning challenge. Depress the foot pedal from the bottom rung for normal cleaning pressure. For tougher jobs, lift the pedal to the top rung. 22-gallon units have a third pressure setting that is activated when the lever is set at its highest level. Battery maintenance is one of the most important factors in sustained scrubber performance. Please review your owner's manual for full details. Tornado's Hydro Alert battery protection system is an optional accessory on all Floorkeeper scrubbers. This system provides an audible alert for low water levels and allows operators to fill the batteries from a single point. Insert the tube into a container of distilled water and squeeze the hand pump until it gets firm. Specialized caps stop the water at the ideal level. To empty the recovery tank after operation, use the drain hose on the back of the unit over a floor drain or other approved area. The drain hose is designed with a press-fit cap and a restriction collar that can be squeezed to reduce splashes. As the recovery tank drains, rinse out the sediment and leave the tank open to air dry. Wipe down the inside of the tank to reduce the mold and mildew that can accumulate in other scrubber tanks. Inspect and clean the vacuum mesh filter and ball float with the hose. To drain any excess solution, remove the filter located on the bottom of the unit over a floor drain or other approved area. Loosen the easy grip knobs and detach the recovery hose to remove the squeegee. Clean off any remaining debris and rinse the squeegee thoroughly. Unlatch the squeegee blade retainer to clean and adjust the squeegee edges as needed. 22-gallon Floorkeeper models include a convenient squeegee hanger for transport and storage. Twist the pad driver or brush from side to side to remove it from the machine. Rinse and store after removal. Orbital pads can be removed after use. Thank you for your purchase of a Tornado Floorkeeper scrubber. Contact our free technical support team at 1-800-VACUUMS with further questions.